So I'm stuck at a Tesla Supercharger. Keep getting an error message in my Tesla app saying no power. The problem started at 2 a.m. It is now like 4 in the afternoon, next day. Welcome back to another Noah Keener vlog. And in this video, my Tesla just shuts off. No warning, no battery issues, nothing. I've owned this car for less than a year, and it's supposed to be fast, smart, and efficient, but it just left me stranded in the middle of nowhere in Indiana. So even though the Tesla didn't make it to Florida, we still did. And by the end of this video, I'll show you what it feels like to finish the race you started, even when everything goes wrong. Just like that, everything packs in here so perfectly. I am the pack master. 1 stop, 2 stop, 3 stop, 4 stop, which is kind of shitty because I just did the same exact trip last week. It's too early to get tired. Too early. I mean, this guy just charged. He said he just charged using this station. Nothing. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. Light blue light. Boom. Plugged in. This light should go green. It's not doing anything. I don't know, man. It's very frustrating right now. And I mean, that guy pulled around, so like, the only other issue is like, is it my vehicle that's not charging? But since when? I just charged last night at 9:15.
All right, thanks, man.
Charger's working for you?
The charger?
It worked for you?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yours isn't?
No.
I would just go to a different one. I have seen that one have trouble before.
Really? Yeah, I keep on getting the error saying no power, but I've tried a few of these before.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it totally worked.
Okay, cool. Yeah. I might try this one right here then.
Good luck, man.
Well, let's see if this works. Just pulled up to a car wash. I noticed that they had an outlet on the side of the car wash. What if I just pull up and plug up my mobile charger and see if it works? The only thing about the mobile charger is it's so slow.
Can we buy a faster one?
No. And if somebody says something, I'm gonna be like, dude, I literally, this is like the absolute last resort that I have. Like, there's nothing else that I can do. Open the charge port. It's not charging, is it? Oh, this outlet, the outlet doesn't work. That didn't work. It was worth a try. At this rate, we're never gonna make it to Florida. Because I've been sitting at this charging station since like 2 o'clock in the morning. It's now 8:30 in the morning. And the the charging station doesn't work. There's no chargers around. I don't have enough.
Thanks for calling Tesla. My name is Bernardo. How can I be of assistance?
Hey, Bernardo, how you doing, man?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I've seen better days. I've been stuck at this charger since like 2 o'clock. I'm traveling and...
You've tried, I'm assuming, different stalls already?
Yeah, man, there's probably there's 23 stalls. I probably tried 10 of them. It's really not my issue, so shouldn't Tesla be able to cover the charging for the towing? The reason why my battery is so low is only because the supercharging doesn't work. Like,
I mean, when it comes to tow fees, you'd have to speak to roadside assistance because I don't know how it works with the fees.
all right, man, so there's nothing really you can do then?
No, I'm sorry.
All right, brother, have a good one. Thankfully, through the years of my life, and going through things like this all the time, and just breathe through it. I actually been through this last week. I was driving from Florida to Michigan, and I ran out of gas and had to get towed. But thankfully, the vehicle that I was driving had roadside assistance, so I could just call them up, and like 3 hours later, they came. I was towing a trailer as well. Sorry, I can't even fucking think right now because I'm so sleep deprived and tired. I'm gonna go ask this guy over here if his charger is working. So we ended up having to do, man, having to get it on the damn tow truck. The problem started at 2 a.m. It is now like 4 in the afternoon, next day. Finally, green beans. Green beans. Oh my God.
Literally almost 15 hours.
Look at this smile. This is real. Finally, we've made it to Tennessee. Everything's packed. Everything worked out perfectly. Well, obviously not perfectly, but in the grand scheme of things, we're on track. Now we're heading to Florida. 9-hour drive from Nashville to Pensacola. Race starts at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. All of our bikes ready to go.
Get on the road.
Yeah, we can go.
All right. Now we get back on the road.
This is a charger right here. You stick your phone in there.
Yeah. I got a good 4 hours of sleep last night.
That's it?
Woke up at like 6, 9, 10, 11. Had a good 6 hours of sleep last night. Just enough to
Drive 8 hours.
Just enough to fall asleep driving. Do I have the keys? Good question. Keys
I think
are
he
in
just
here.
filled it up too.
Did he? I remember Daddy always used to get on me about how dirty my car was.
This car is nothing.
And then you go to his car and it's like worse than how
There's
my
an
car
arrow here,
was.
like,
Cool beans. I just need a place to put all my shiznits.
Do that a lot.
See ya. All right.
Let's go.
I don't even think being tired is the right word to describe how I feel right now. My body, bro, from sitting in the car for the last 2-3 days. Oh, I'm ready, dude. Oh, I'm like slowly starting to come to it. I'm just ready to get this race over with now and get back to bed. What not to do on your triathlon, on your first triathlon, is to drive across the country a day before the triathlon. You don't want to do that. It sucks. Your body's sore and sitting in the car all day. It's probably gonna be like a 50% chance that I finish this race. Just like that, we have finished another triathlon.
Oh, here's my buddy.
What's up?
It's good. Thanks for pacing me.
Thank you. Thanks for the motivation. Good job, guys. Yeah, that's actually a good thing about doing the triathlon starting at 6 a.m. is you beat the heat. I don't have any goggles, and obviously the very first part of the race is the swim. I have no goggles, so like last night after driving fucking for days. I went to a Walmart at like 10 o'clock last night to try to get some goggles. I found some shitty goggles for like 22 bucks, which is expensive. I'm saying the price because in my eyes, that's expensive to buy goggles for this thing that I'm just doing, you know. You see what I'm saying? Get to the checkout, Walmart doesn't take Apple Pay or tap to pay. And I don't really carry a wallet on me, so it's like, I didn't have any goggles today. A lot of you guys that are watching this video probably have already some association with me one way or another. If not, hello, my name is Noah Keener. Welcome to the channel. I love to do anything that challenges and betters myself, because life is short, man. Bye, crib. Thank you. Good little home. Thank you, Jill, for setting the place up for us to stay so we don't have to sleep in the car or camp on the beach. I appreciate you, Jilly. Oh. In this video, imagine if that's when I did the intro.